Hello, keyboard fans. I'm the Peace Expert Amateur, and we're going to look at the Rosepoo. Sorry, I'll turn off the music. Yeah, I know, it's a weird name. LED backlit large print wired keyboard. And I'm really happy with it. Why? Well, number one, it's backlit with see-through lettering, so it actually is properly backlit. Number two, I've been using it for the past day or two, and no, since yesterday. And I've tried it flat, I've tried it on my stand, and it's comfortable. It took a tiny bit of adjustment because it requires a tiny bit more pressure than my previous keyboard that I was using. But this one, unlike that one that had a permanently built-in wrist rest, doesn't have that. And so it gives me more flexibility. Now, as far as the back is concerned, it's a little bit disappointing because it only has these two legs and then two rubber feet. And there are no rubber feet on the ends of the legs. So that's kind of a drag. But other than that, it's fine. Also, here is the appearance. They do have it in other color schemes. Had I realized that the other color schemes also had backlit keys, I probably would have gotten a different color scheme than this. But yeah, it has a calculator button, yay, on the F12. And as you can see, most of the buttons are large print. Obviously, the function keys, the ones on the top row here, are mostly not large print, which is always an irritation for me. Because if you're going to make a large print keyboard, you should make sure that all the keys are large print. Because if I take off my glasses, I can't read that. I can't understand what the icons are. Also, this is the control for turning the button, the lights off and on. If you press just that button by itself, that's what it does. If you press it with that and then function and then page up, no, sorry, function and page up and page down, that's for increasing and decreasing the brightness. I think that's the only other thing. If you do a function and with the light, that turns it into what some people call breathing mode, where it slowly increases and decreases and increases and decreases. They call it fade in, fade out. Doesn't matter which one it is. It's 104 keys, 10 million times keystroke life, 445 by 116 by 13 millimeters. It is compatible with Windows all the way back to Windows 95. Dang. I don't know how they verified that it would work with Windows 95, especially since you'd have to have a USB hub that could be connected to a computer back then, because I don't think we had USB ports built in back in those days. But it's been a long time. Maybe we did. Yeah, we did. It's just that for keyboard and mouse, it was the PS2 connectors, not USB. What else can I tell you about this? Oh, well, I'll show you about the lighting as best as I can. All right, so I'm going to hold it like this. Turn off that light. Turn that light out of my way. All right, so like I said, you can use, there we go. You can use function, and then it now is in breathing mode. And there. And if you just use the light button, off and on, and if you do function page down, it dims the lights. Function page up, it brightens the lights. So obviously, it doesn't have all those pretty colors that some of you want, but this is not a problem because you don't need pretty colors, and you probably don't need a large print keyboard. But if you would like a decent one, I mean, obviously this is not for serious gamers, yeah. But if you need a decent keyboard, this is definitely an excellent choice. I'm really, really quite happy with it, to be honest with you. And until I find one that has the one thing that's missing from this keyboard, which is a USB port or ports on the back panel, I will probably continue to use this one for quite some time. But who knows? Maybe the one that I just ordered will be better than this. I keep on hoping. I keep on hoping for the perfect keyboard for me. Nice tactile, ergonomic USB ports, large print, backlit keys so that the lighting is shining through the lettering, and so on and so forth. But it just seems to be impossible. But this is a good substitute. I'll make do until then. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.
Need to ask for your help. I'm sorry. On December 11th, 2024, Amazon terminated me and used false accusations against me. And on December 17th, I had my left shoulder operated on. I'm getting a lot better. I can do some things with my hand and my arm, but it's still pretty limited. If you could please help me out by liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, and turning on notifications for my channels, that would really help. If you want to help me financially and you can afford to, you can go to my Glenn's Fast Reviews and you can do a super thanks as a donation there. If you want to donate on a monthly basis, you can become a member there. And or you can go to patreon.com/GLENNMII. So thank you for that. Also, I'd like to say thank you to bleepingcomputer.com for allowing me to post messages on their forum about my videos. Thank you so much. And don't forget to visit them. They offer a lot of wonderful resources for people who are using computers. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.